Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going shopping. It is my monthly food shopping and we're all going together. I have a list right here of all the things I need. We got a bunch of things that we need to get. An opportunity for me to show off this beautiful new bracelet that I got myself. Cab has been ordered and we're going to be going to Dream Plaza to visit Mutika Supermarket for one, my groceries, and two, their amazing shawarma. So I love the fact that I can go shopping, get my groceries, get my stuff, order some shawarma on the side, and know I have that for lunch. It's just the best thing. As I'm waiting for my cab, I'm just going over my list and going over my house one more time to make sure I'm not missing anything or I'm not forgetting anything. But I think I have everything that I need, and my Uber is here. All right, guys, let's get going. We are here at the supermarket. I've actually been craving ice cream for some time, so I'm thinking maybe I'll get some ice cream. And if you're asking me if ice cream is on my list, yes, it was on my list. I don't need butter, but I think I do need cheese. President has cheddar. There's also Dairy Day. Dairy Day sandwich slices. I'm going with Dairy Day. Lemons, apples, potatoes, onions. Do they have basil? No basil. Tomatoes. This is good. I have enough tomatoes for what I want to do. Just no bell peppers, which is sad, but we'll make do. Ooh, eggs. Gotta get some eggs. Let me get milk. Honey, I know is there. One kg flour. Brown sugar. The only brown sugar they have is dark brown, which I don't mind. Let's see. Okay, I think we need to get cleaning supplies. I need a mop and I also need new napkins as well. Napkins. So where mops? This way, okay. Okay. So anything I need here. Cleaner told me I needed a new mop, so we're getting a new mop. How are we looking on our shopping? We're looking pretty good. Just a couple of things I haven't been able to find. There's no plantain, no bell peppers. Let me cross off mop right now. Okay, I need to get toothpaste. There's no basil. I'll get chipotle and ketchup at the same place. And then I'll get chicken thighs when I pick up my shawarma. Let me get toothpaste, which should be somewhere around here. It should be somewhere around here. I'm not sure, but I think I'm close. Honestly, when it comes to toothpaste, I just pick the one that appeals to me. That will do extra whitening. I'm in the body wash aisle trying to decide what body wash I should get, and I think I'm gonna go for Imperial Leather. Yeah, almost done. Picking up, excuse me, the last few couple of things. Can I get these chicken thighs? That pack, and then another. I want to get, yes. Can you chop them up for me, please? Chop them up for me and put it all in one bag, please. Yeah, sure. Thank you. Thank you. Oof. I think I'm done shopping. I just want to look over my carts to make sure like I didn't grab anything I didn't need. Okay, I think everything's done. Oh my god, there's so much stuff. I'm done putting away all my groceries and now I can finally eat lunch, which is this amazing shawarma. Just look at it. So beautiful. There are so many unspeakable things I want to do to the shawarma. That's how hungry I am. I'm going to eat my lunch, get some work done, and then I'm going to come back to do a full-scale meal prep. We're making chicken, we're making pasta, we're making tomato sauce, we're marinating a bunch of things, the whole 9 yards, we're going there.
Later that night.
Work is done and it's time for me to meal prep all the food that I have bought. This food is going to last me for about 2 to 3 weeks. We have chicken, tomato pasta, chicken and mushroom stew, and marinated chicken. We are done. Oh my god, that was so much cooking. I have marinated chicken. I have a shit ton of chicken pasta. And I also have chicken sauce, which goes well with potatoes and goes well with rice. I was planning on prepping bread, but I'm exhausted. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. Do not forget to chop up the subscribe button so you can join my family here on YouTube. Don't forget to saute the like button so you can like this video and tell YouTube that you like this video and to recommend this video to other people as well. And don't forget to prep and pack up the notification bell so that you will have notifications of whenever I upload a new video. Do not forget to be awesome, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!